Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys how to add clip-ins with leave out. I'm going to do another video on how to add clip-ins with no leave out. But for this style, I'm going to do a top bun, and then I'm going to have most of the clip-ins in the back. So what I'm doing now is just parting my hair off to have my top bun. And I just really want to make sure that the side parts are as close to straight as possible. They're not going to be super straight, and that's okay. So once I get that section parted off, I'm just going to twist it up like so, put a little clip on it, and then we're going to get started with the back. Now this is an old twist out that I have, and the shrinkage is just so real. Like, if you don't have 4C natural hair, like, you will never understand the struggle with shrinkage. So yeah, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in the back, and I'm just going to pull my hair apart. I'm going to just pull it apart with my finger. I don't need it straight. I'm not going to start at the very bottom, but like toward the middle of my ear. All right, so now I'm just going to wet my hair up, and I'm going to add a little bit of my castor oil conditioner. I'm going to leave it in, and then I'm going to begin to detangle my hair. Now this castor oil conditioner, I'm going to let y'all know how it works, girl, but it's supposed to be like really moisturizing, and it's supposed to help your hair grow. So I shall let you guys know how it works. I got it from Burlington. This is like my second time using it, but we gonna see how it works, child. So now I'm just gonna clip my clip-ins in. Now I'm not gonna clip it to my scalp per se, more so my actual hair, so that it won't be any tension. I'm just literally clipping it to my hair, and then I'm going to wet the clip-ins like so. I'm going to detangle it, and then what I'm going to do after I detangle it is I'm going to go ahead and braid it up. But I thought I was going to do that next, but what I'm doing now is just adding another piece of the clip-in, and then I'm going to detangle it, and then I'm going to braid it out. And I also added a little, what is it called? Give me a second, y'all, because you know my mind bad. A lot of body for definition. I always add just a little bit of lot of body for definition, and then I just go ahead and braid it. I don't braid it all the way to the end because I was planning on trimming the ends of the clip-ins anyway, so I just do it like I leave like a quarter left at the ends. So this is just a better look at what I'm doing, how it's looking, and all of that. I'm doing the exact same thing that I did to the other side. This is how I'm braiding it. And yeah, it's, pretty easy. Now, this is the method that I normally use, but like the method with no leave out is starting to become my favorite because it's just like it's so much easier. I'm gonna, like I said, make another video to show you guys how that works. And then this is how I'm applying the clip-ins on the side. I'm just splitting my hair into two and then applying the clip-ins. God. And then applying the clip-ins and braiding it. I really love how I was able to dye these extensions to make them look the exact color of my hair. I think that was just a win in itself. Like, it matches so darn well, and I love it. Alright, so as you can see now, I'm starting with this top bun. And I'm just going to try to make it look like a real cute bun. And not a struggle bun, sis. So, I have this little piece left. And I'm just going to kind of wrap it around the bun that I already had. Just to, I mean, I don't know. It's not making it fuller. I don't know what it's doing, really. I just decided to wrap it around it and use it a little bit. Just to make it a little, I don't know, cuter. But yes, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Then I'm gonna wrap my hair up and get prepared. Kai, I'm not talking to you. And then I'm gonna get prepared for bed. Now y'all forgive my little baby for talking. Y'all know I only do voiceovers like not like I'm gonna do it one time and then it's done. I'm not gonna redo it. So I love you guys. To see how this turned out, I will list that video below. This will be the part 1 and part 2 should be below. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to y'all later.